Bharat Kandal. I study in class 6B. My school name is KB number 1 JRC Bareilly Kent. Today I am telling you about my project, that is simple electric siren. I represented in the under supervision of Saurabh Avasthi sir. It is like this. UM66. Its first pin is grounded and second pin is connected with TV and third pin is output. BC548. It is used to amplify ambient transistor. It is used to amplify the signal. The speaker. It is used to convert electrical signal into sound. It is 9-volt battery. It is work like this. It is 9-volt battery. It is switch. It is PCB board. It is UM66 and it is BC548 and it is speaker. Thank you.